I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by loading a finished model and confirming units and materials so animation behaves predictably. Next, set your output resolution and frame rate, 24 or 30 FPS, then decide overall duration. Once done, open Keyshot's animation timeline and pick keyframe mode for object motion or project mode for camera paths. You should organize parts into groups now so you can animate logically. Make sure to save a version before adding keyframes to avoid losing baseline settings. Now you animate. Scrub to a target frame and insert keyframes for position, rotation, or scale. These define motion over time. For camera work, create tracks like dolly or orbit and apply easing so movement accelerates and decelerates naturally. You can also keyframe material properties or light intensity to emphasize surfaces during a reveal. While doing this, preview at lower resolution so playback stays responsive. Remember to group related keyframes and use copy/paste to repeat motion. To finish, pick a render preset. Run draft passes to check timing, then switch to final with denoising and motion blur if needed. Export as an image sequence for easier re-editing or render directly to video for quick delivery. Make sure frame range and codec match your timeline. If you encounter pops, missing geometry, or stuttering, reset suspicious keyframes, verify no hidden parts are moving, and clear Keyshot's cache. Finally, do a short full-resolution test render before committing the full sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.